The 2026 Tesla Model Y is finally here, and it's making waves in the EV world. With bold new styling, upgraded performance, and cutting-edge technology, Tesla is aiming higher than ever. But the big question remains, is this the perfect electric vehicle? Or just another update with a flashier badge? Stick around, because what you'll discover in this review may completely change the way you see the Model Y. Before we jump into the full breakdown, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're a fan of futuristic design, honest car reviews, and smart EV decisions. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best automotive content week after week.
I just wish you knew.
Tesla has taken a bold approach to the front-end styling of the 2026 Model Y. The front fascia now features sharper LED daytime running lights that give the vehicle a more assertive presence on the road. The once supple curves have been replaced with angular elements and a sportier lower grille that takes inspiration from the Roadster's aggressive face. A touch of gold accenting on the front lip adds a premium detail that sets it apart from typical EV crossovers. It's a confident, purposeful design that blends beauty with aerodynamic efficiency. From the side, the Model Y showcases its refined, coupe-inspired silhouette. The sloping roofline has been smoothed out even further, creating a sleeker side profile. Tesla has hidden the door handles even more seamlessly into the body, maintaining a clean and uninterrupted flow from front to back. Subtle sculpting around the wheel arches and body lines give the car a muscular stance. And the standout feature has to be the new two-tone aero wheels. With gold detailing wrapping around the dark inserts, they're not just stylish, they also improve efficiency by reducing drag. The rear of the 2026 Model Y brings the most striking visual changes. New sleeker taillights feature sequential LED indicators that enhance both aesthetics and visibility. The tailgate has been resculpted with a sharper edge and integrated ducktail spoiler, giving the SUV a sportier, more planted stance. The lower portion now includes a performance-inspired diffuser design with gold trim, which matches the front and side accents beautifully. Tesla's updated badging, now embossed and sharp, adds a futuristic and high-end finish.
I just wish you knew.
Underneath the sleek exterior, the Model Y has received significant upgrades. Tesla has improved the battery pack's thermal management system, increasing overall efficiency and range. In the Overload QSR variant, you're getting more than 500 horsepower on tap, allowing the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The new 800V architecture also enables lightning-fast charging. Tesla claims you can go from 10% to 80% in under 20 minutes at the latest superchargers. Thanks to the introduction of an adaptive suspension system, the ride quality now strikes a perfect balance between comfort and performance. It's not just fast, it's refined. Inside, Tesla's signature minimalist design remains, but with a noticeable jump in sophistication. A new 14.5-inch OLED touchscreen dominates the center console, delivering sharper graphics and quicker response times. A completely redesigned user interface accompanies the latest FSD Beta 12.5, complete with voice-first navigation and gesture-based controls. The materials throughout the cabin have seen a major upgrade: soft-touch vegan leather, genuine wood trim, and matte metal finishes all contribute to a more upscale environment. Tesla has also added a yoke steering option, a new ambient lighting system, and an electronically dimming panoramic glass roof that adapts to sunlight. As for pricing, the base 2026 Tesla Model Y starts at $52,990, continuing Tesla's mission to make EVs accessible to the mainstream market. However, the Overload QSR edition featured in this review takes things up a notch and comes in at approximately $68,500. While that may seem like a steep jump, you're getting sports car-like performance, advanced driver assistance features, and an interior that rivals premium SUVs, making it a strong value proposition in today's competitive EV landscape.
I just wish he knew.
So, is the 2026 Tesla Model Y truly the perfect EV? It comes very close. Tesla has addressed some of the most common critiques from previous years by delivering stronger performance, faster charging, improved comfort, and a much more luxurious feel inside and out. The design is sharper, the tech is smarter, and the experience feels more refined than ever before. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you get a better understanding of the new Model Y, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What's your take on Tesla's direction with this 2026 update? Are you impressed or still waiting for something even better? Let's talk about it. Until next time, drive smart, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.